Hello everyone. I want to start this little trade recap. The reason I'm starting this is basically to show you my stupidest trade ever, why it is, and I'm making this especially to hold myself accountable. I obviously know that it's going on the internet, and I hope that it will make me think things a little bit through. Unlike this one, I'll just hop right into it. ROKA is the ticker. Here's what it was doing this morning. Nothing too much, a little uptrend. And then here's where this big spike came in. We can just look at it on here. And this is Yahoo Finance here. 8 million market cap. It's a really small company. And there wasn't any news this morning, as we can see here. Let's go back to the chart. Here, I've been tracking a lot of stocks here, just one of them, so I know going into that this has 2 million float. So here's the big spike. Could have been a short squeeze, more than likely. I wasn't even tempted to trade it in here. It was just moving too fast, and I didn't know where to get in. But when it came up to this area, it's making a little range from the low here is about 160 to 180-ish. So we're in this range here. And now I want to look back at more long term. I'll show you 1 year for now. You can see it's beaten down. It's a terrible company. It had a nasty gap down right in here and continue down trending. This is a big trend change right now over here. And in this market right now, we're seeing these run. Okay, so the reason I was interested and actually ended up buying it was, like I said before, this was in 160 to 180 range. And right here, we have also a range between that 160. This one gets up to around 190. So it's holding inside this range. And what got me psyched out, well, what got me to buy, first off, was after it ran up here, I saw in the chat room someone said, watch out for a short squeeze. And I was thinking in here, it could happen. Yeah, it definitely could happen. We see all the time that big runners have 2 or 3 legs in the morning. You never know when it's going to end. And it was hanging in here right at support from 5 or 6 days ago. Normally when these things run up so fast and they hit resistance, they bounce right back off and down. But this got me interested because it stayed up here. So I thought that it could have another leg. And this little breakout over 180, that's where I got in. I got out in pretty much the exact top here at 183. And as we can see the next minute, it actually got a low around 160. And that scared me out right there. It was a fast move, and I didn't know what to do. That could have been the move that I was talking about that crashed right back down to its low. So I immediately cut losses and got out in the 163s. As we can see, this is a terrible trade. I let my emotions get in the way of my mindset. I've been working hard these last couple of weeks to really be meticulous in my trading. I made myself a rule that I want to trade in the first 15 minutes of the day, so patterns could develop and I could find a better entry and exit, and altogether a better risk reward. And here I threw all that out the window. I was scared of missing another short squeeze, and I paid the price here. I don't regret the money at all. Obviously I'm trading with a very small account right now, a very small size, but I was in disbelief with myself after I made this trade. Why would I make such a newbie mistake? But yeah, it scared me out real quick. And I mean, that's why I'm making this video. Like I said, I want to get this out there and just show people what can happen. And I mean, like, if you think for a minute that this could do something, you are obligated to the stock. And that's what happened to me here. I wasn't looking at price action the way I should be. And I wasn't basing it off of there was no risk reward here. I was just thinking it could go higher, and it couldn't, and I got out and I lost. I mean, I'll hopefully do some more of these video lessons, little recaps, and hopefully there'll be a couple wins. Thank you.